In my opinion, this is the only VPN that truly delivers a 100% free plan. No data caps, no ads, no logs, and no speed limits. Just unlimited, secure internet for you. Proton VPN stands alone when it comes to privacy and safety. No other free VPN even comes close. That means you can browse the internet, send emails, or even stream videos without ever worrying about exposing your online activity. I will walk you through 3 main steps to get it running on any device. So let's begin. First, open your browser and search Proton VPN free and click on the first link of the search results. Or simply click on the link in this video description. We're going to create a free account. Regardless if you use a PC, tablet, phone, or anything in between, Proton VPN has you covered with free VPN apps for all the major operating systems. Click on the Get Proton VPN button. Click on Continue with Free right here. Enter a valid email address in the email section and click on the Start Using Proton VPN button. Proton will take a few seconds to create and secure your free account, so hold on. At this stage, set a strong password for your account. You can leave the password they have automatically generated for you, or change it to something you can remember later on. I will go ahead and change mine. When you're done entering your own password, click on the Set New Password button. The next pop-up window contains the Proton free VPN you will download onto your device. Click on the Download button. This will open the download page. Check the Windows version you're using. I'm using Windows 10's 64-bit version, so I'm going to select that version to start the download. The download is started, and you can see it over here in the Chrome Download tab. But I'm going to stop it to save time because I've already downloaded and tested it before making this video. If you're using mobile, MacBook, Linux, TV, and others, you can find those versions down here on this same page to install. I will go into my download folder and locate the file to start the installation. It is here. Double-click on the file and wait for it to open. Select your preferred language. I will leave on English, then click OK. Click on Next. Click on Install. Wait for it to complete the installation process. The installation is completed, and it's here on my desktop. Double-click on it to run the app. Now, enter the email address and password you used in creating the account in Step 1. Then click on Sign In. Hold on a few seconds for it to log you into their servers. This is the beautiful interface of Proton VPN. The next thing is to find a server and connect to it. They automatically selects the fastest one close to you, so go ahead and click on Connect. Once connected, your IP address is hidden, your traffic is encrypted, and your internet is now private and more secure. You can change to different servers. You can also find different server locations by hovering your cursor over the map. Now let's browse the internet to check the speed. It works great. Once you're online, Proton VPN free should encrypt your existing internet connection, protecting your online privacy and security, all without data or speed limits, no advertisements, and does not log your online activity. Alright, that's how to safely use Proton VPN's free account in 2025. Have you tried it before? Let me know your experience in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to Paw Tech Tips for more tech tips, and share this with someone who needs safer browsing. Before we go, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. We do not promote illegal access to paid services or restricted content. Always use VPNs within the laws of your country.